So I tried installing some lining to these rafters because the 2x4 bat insulation was not staying up at this angle. It's just too shallow and it just sags right out. So I took what was the strapping from the plaster and lath walls on the brick. Took that strapping and nailed it into the rafters as like a kind of 1x2 to try and give a little lip to hold the insulation in. And as you can see, there's some fluff of insulation hanging there because it fell out again. So I'm not sure bat insulation is the way to go here. I'm thinking we might need to get like a more rigid insulation, like rockwool comfort board. So I think that might be what we try next.